Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trade Trump coin on Binance Future in 2025. Whether you are just a beginner or if you're an experienced trader, I'll just walk you through everything step by step. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into the video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, we'll need to open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to this URL section and simply all you need to do in here, just type Binance and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you'll be taken in here. So here, make sure to go and click on this first link, basically. And this will take you to the home screen or main screen of Binance. So once you are here, you'll need to log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't, you'll need to go and create an account. If you don't know how to do that, you will find plenty of videos on how to create an account on Binance and you can follow that out. Probably you'll find one in this channel as well, so make sure to check it out. So for me, I'll just go here and click on login. And as you can see, they'll give me the normal option, which is entering my information, or I can go and log in using Google, Apple, or Telegram. So for me, I'll just use here Google, my accounts. And of course, they'll ask me for a code on my authentication app. Basically, I'll just go. So now I'm going into my phone and opening the authenticator app because that's what it's connected into. And yeah, I'm looking now at my code. So I'll just go here and enter that code out in here. And I should be logged in into my account. So yeah, just click on yes. And here we are, logged in into our account. So now, the simplest thing to do is simply go in here into markets. Once we go into markets, normally we'll find a lot of coins in here. So we'll have to look for the Trump coin. Of course, how to do so? You can simply just go here to the search right here or at the top right here. Up to you. So for me, I'll go here and type Trump. As you can see, once I did that, I'll find it like written in here. So as you can see here is it. I'm just going to click on that. Once I click on it, they will take me right here. So here, as you can see, you'll be able to buy Trump coin on Binance. As you can see, you can enter the amounts that you'll need to buy. As an example, I want to buy 10 Trump coin. And as you can see here, I'll see the amount that I'll have to pay by USD. But that's if you want to pay, as an example, with the currency of USD. You can pay with whatever other currency you want. But this is basically if you want to pay with your bank account, as an example. If you want and click on trade Trump in here, as you can see, you'll be able to trade it with some of your like cryptocurrency, like USDT or USDC, if you have one of those. So, an example, let's say in my accounts or in my wallet, I have some USDT. So let's just say that. Of course, you'll not be able to buy Trump coin if you did not fund your account, so make sure to do so. I've already made a video on how to do it as well. So for me, I'll just go here, trade, and click on Trump/USDT, and I'll be taken right here. So of course, disclaimer, you will have to read all of that. Make sure that you read all of it and accept the terms of use, and of course, read the terms of use as well. Then click on confirm. So you'll be able to trade it. Now, you can simply start trading with the Trump coin. So as we said in the video, we would like to trade like futures or using Binance futures, right? So if you go as an example, of course, this is just normal way to buy Trump coin. If you want from here, you can buy it and etc. That's of course the most known thing on how to buy. Like from here, you can buy, sell, and it's up to you to do so. Of course, if you don't know that, make sure to do small research about cryptocurrency before putting any of your money in here. So as an example, if we go at the top, we'll find futures here, and we can go and find contracts settles in USDT and USDC. If we go and click on that, as you can see, so here we'll find Bitcoin USDT. Of course, for us, we'll look for Trump USDT. So as you can see, we'll be taken basically to the same chart, but this time with futures. So now, of course, you'll have again to click on this. I have read and agree to the Binance Future Service Agreement. Make sure to read it all again. And once you're done with that, click on I understand the rules, risks of future trading and agree that any loss incurred during futures trading is my own responsibility regardless of the platform. Then if you have any futures referral code entered here, then simply click on open now. Of course, if you don't know how to use futures, you can see the guide from here. Now you can choose beginner, experienced, or customized. It's up to you. For me, I'll just go here. And of course, to open like a futures account, you'll need to verify your account if it's not yet. So if it's not yet, click on verify now. And they'll take you here to verify your account. And once it's verified, you can simply just come back here and you'll find the buy and sell option like in the normal markets. Like this. So you'll find in here, I'll just click on trade this example. So you'll find this right away like this. On the right in here, you'll find buy, sell. You can start buying and selling using futures. As simple as that. That's very, very easy, and that's how you can do it. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.